Should we go straight to this deadly obstacle?
Oh my gosh. You're funny. I just saved Aaron's life right there. Oh. Get out of here.
All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today with Hippie Mike.
What's up, dudes?
And Gabriel Horacio Iglesias
Pleasure
Cruz.
to meet you in person, finally.
Right on, Gabe.
I cannot believe that Gabe has not met Hippie Mike.
No, we're talking living legend right here.
Yeah, literal. For those of you who don't know, Hippie Mike is the one who taught Andy Anderson how to do a dark slide.
No. Like, one thing I definitely didn't teach him.
I picked like maybe the one trick you didn't teach him and just call it out. Okay, well we're at the skate park and I guess we're gonna skate it. I mean, this is not a skate park I would personally normally skate because I suck at all of the obstacles. But let's get Gabe Cruz to drop in.
All right, we gotta get our easy tricks out of the way first, so then we could actually let the real skaters do their job, and then we're gonna provide some wonderful insight.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this is a low-key kind of sketch, bro. Oh god, it's been a while.
Skate or die, they said. I don't really want to die, so I guess I'll skate.
There we go.
Yeah, Hippie.
That honestly is a really good little mini quarter pipe right there.
First name Hippie, last name Mike. Can I see your ID? Yeah. What's your first name? Hippie. I don't know why. That's funny in my head. And we brought a blind skater too. Because what's Braille without a blind skater?
That's right.
Wow.
We've got Brett the blind kid, came down with me from Canada. This is his first time at all the spots that we've been to, actually. First time on a skate trip in a car. He's my navigator, so it takes us a little longer to get places. But it works out eventually. And then we also have Kalen, my son, who's 15 years old. He'll probably be one of the guys that we make show us all these obstacles and how they work.
How did you miss that first year though, Hippie? You couldn't get him on the board?
He didn't walk till he was 10 months old, which was kind of advanced. And the second, he didn't even crawl. He went from laying on the ground to standing up and trying to get on my skateboard. So,
wow. So really it's 15 years. We'll count that first year. We'll let that first year go.
What are we feeding these kids nowadays?
All right, Kalen, come do some tricks for us.
Should we start like easy and then go to...
Yeah, what's easy though? See, I come to this park, I go, everything's hard.
Maybe we should just start in the front and kind of make our way around. Oh, wow.
Okay, chill out, okay?
oh, you want it more lazy? See how he chilled out on that one?
Wow.
Save some for the rest of us.
I did a run like that one time.
Back in '83.
While I was sleeping. I was dreaming.
Take us through this park, Gabe.
I'll tell you. I have a comprehensive list of skate parks all throughout the Bay Area that I knew we had to go to. Yeah. Obviously, we're trying to tour every single one.
Yeah.
I knew of this park. I heard a few things,
yeah.
Won't say from who, about the area it's in.
Yeah.
And the potential danger for having a camera out. So I opted to turn a blind eye, no pun intended. Yeah, you know, I knew it was here, but I made a choice not to come here. But you know, it's really nice.
Because Gabe thought we were gonna get robbed, and maybe we will. Knock on wood.
Yeah, exactly.
So what, we're gonna start with the easy part?
Yeah, I think you kind of start here. We'll make our way through. This is a cool little weird combo right here.
Okay, Kalen, we're gonna call out tricks for you.
You call out the trick on the obstacle, and then we'll rate them.
Okay.
We'll rate the execution.
But a lot of tricks, right? 50-50. I'll get your back. This is the best ledge in the whole park.
Honestly, it is.
First try? Oh, you're going that way. As we say in Canada, poser.
See that? He cheated.
Oh, what?
That's literally what I was gonna say. Back 50, grind down.
Okay, yeah. This is what we want. Back 50, boom, into the bank. Wow.
That was cooler.
Even better.
I like it.
I'll take it. 5-0 down. Okay, ollie over this. You got that? What do you call this in Canada?
It's a hot dog.
A hot dog? I knew there was going to be some odd name. In America, I think we call this a boob. Boob. Skate the boob.
I'm thinking roll up, come to a complete stop, stationary kickflip on the top, and then roll down the other side.
You're a sick man.
I am.
Okay, Kalen. Roll up, stop on top, do a kickflip.
Oh, yep. See?
I think what you got to do.
Yep. Yes. Okay, the fakie.
You gotta make it over. Oh, over?
Yeah!
That was too easy. Now, you got tray flips?
Not really. Like up it?
Yeah.
I'll try one.
Yeah, of course you got tray flips up it.
Oh yeah? Aaron, that's like 1 3-minute skate sport away from just a perfect tray flip.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm gonna help you on that later.
Okay.
Right now, do a kickflip.
Damn!
Dang.
That was really good.
So remember, Gabe, when we did that like blindfold game of skate, and you guys were like not helping me at all. You just put the blindfold on. So yesterday we did a blind game of skate, and he kept like, "I'm gonna put you in the right direction," and I was like, "What is happening here?"
Yeah.
Nobody even made me run me into a wall.
We're gonna get Brett to what? You're gonna do a 180 out of this easy.
He's 98% blind, so he can see contrast. So he can see this black line there, so he knows where to pop. He can like see that. And he's just doing that so he can see where the front of the obstacle is. So now he can see the quarter pipe and this. 180 up the bank, first try. And now he's ready to roll. Yeah! First try! I got you. Whoa!
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Gabe. First try. Okay, Kaylin, what's next? Should we go straight to this deadly obstacle?
Oh my gosh.
Gabe, you got this? You won't drop in on this, Gabe?
You're funny.
First try.
Dude, this is hard.
Is it?
Yeah.
Should we go doubles? Yeah, hippie!
It's like learning how to walk again.
Yeah.
Oh, that
No!
was
Get
fire.
out of there!
That was dope.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
As I get older, I've skated for 38 years, been rebuilt by the doctors a few times. I literally am starting to just live through Kalen.
Yeah.
Because like I still skate, but I was having this conversation with Andy recently, like it's getting to the point where I'm like leaning further and further away of wanting to try certain things.
Yeah.
So I said, you know, if we're gonna film anything good anymore, like it's gotta happen in the next couple of years.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's great. Kalen is just like expanding every single day, and like watching him skate, he skates a lot like me, obviously.
Yeah.
And I just feel like that's still me skating.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's why I yell at him. Blunt,
Yeah.
What do we got on this? The volcano. Manual over it?
G-turn nose manual.
Yes. Oh.
Where do I go?
G-turn nose manual.
So this is just a cheat code that is unlocked by association with Hippie Mike then.
Yeah.
If you hang out with him long enough, you will know how to do that.
That scared the
Come
living.
on, Aaron, get up there. Go do that, man.
Oh, okay.
See, I'm not gonna do that.
Canada also has really nice skate parks, and a lot of really good skaters come out of Canada. Yeah. Okay, what else do we got? How about a grind? Yeah, kickflip, Gabe. Oh!
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, Gabe.
Get my back. You got it.
No, hippie.
Yes.
Yeah, you definitely got that. You just gotta warm up.
It's okay. That one you could experience through me.
Yeah, his hips are hurting. So yesterday he was jumping off of this fence, and I was like, hippie, get off the fence. Whoa!
Good enough.
On the hot dog.
No.
That was not what I was trying. I was just pumping. No.
I was like, out of every obstacle in the whole park, this is the last thing I would ever want to skate.
Goodness. The switch drop. That was cool.
Yeah.
Really cool. Just in this little section right here, which is what, a third of the skate park?
Yeah.
I'm not digging the architecture. The angle iron coping in terms of longevity is understood. Fine. But I just don't really get what the idea is here.
I got another thing for you though, but you're a street skater, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Do you like tail slides on ledges?
sure.
Because you're gonna tail slide this quarter pipe with that flat top coping, the same as a ledge.
No, I'm not. That's what I'm saying.
it's
The
like-
coping, I'm not worried about at all. I'm just saying the overall design
Flow
/
of the
architecture,
situation.
flow of this area. I'm
Well-
not quite following.
If you like to air and go super fast, stuff like this is just to regain speed
Gotcha.
and maintain speed. The main thing was getting obstacles in the center. As soon as you're riding, you can always hit something and keep
keep
your
going.
speed, right? So that's kind of what the design layout of this, whoever was thinking about it,
Yeah.
is like, it's a flow park.
So you're saying it's good?
It's interesting.
With that being said, what on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate the execution of that?
This park?
Yeah.
So for someone that likes to go fast and catch air on hips and slash quarter pipes and all that, it's probably about a 7 to 8.
Nice.
It's good. I mean, it's an interesting park. Some people would complain about it.
I don't know who that would be. I don't know. No, never. Yeah, it must be.
Talking trash, really.
I love when we first rolled up because Derek was like, "This is a nice spot. We got a bathroom.
He's got the benches over there.
We got a view." He said nothing about the skate park.
Hey, and we got legends here too.
And we got legends. And the legend of Rick G.
It's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen you, my friend.
You want to do it? Yeah. Just so everybody knows, this is not my idea. This is not my idea. First try.
Yeah, this guy, he can't even see what he's doing. He's better than me.
But you can see my hand. There you go. Good job. Okay, this section. Hippie, give him some
Let's
tricks.
see
to do.
some like fakie Smith grind, fakies.
So you taught him all of these tricks.
Is good at learning whatever he wants on his own.
Yeah.
These tricks came from mini ramps at our house all the time.
Yeah, mini ramps at the house. I need to learn mini ramp. Because I like manuals a lot, and I feel like there's a lot of manual skaters who are also good at mini ramp, and I'm just not. Fakie heel flip? No way. No way! Get out of
That
here!
was a big screw you to you, AK.
That was the most garbage.
Every time I see your reaction to a heel flip.
Like that's what it's about right there. That's where you see skill in people. You call a trick while they're halfway to the obstacle and they still set up and do it perfect.
Yeah, that was well played. Well, I think the only thing that, oh no, we got that section over there, and then maybe the big bowl.
I was doing some brainstorming.
The drop in?
We'll let him skate it, and then you and I can do an American Ninja Warrior challenge and see who can climb out of the bowl
Okay,
faster.
I'm in for that.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
thinking like front board big flip, but that wall's a little in the way for that.
Front blunt?
We should do a podcast, just the ultimate posers. We just make fun of everybody who thinks they're good. Okay, Kaylin, let's skate this ledge. Best spot in the park.
My legs are so cold.
It is buttery. Yeah. Oh, too butter! Come on, Gabe.
Gotta warm up.
Manual.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
Gabe.
it's so slippery.
Come on, Rick G. Get out of town.
Hey, Derek.
Yeah, there you go.
This is a fantastic bench, my friend. You were right. Told you.
Yeah, that is a fantastic bench. And the bathroom, even better. Straight to the big ball.
Ooh.
Dropping in. Sorry.
Don't. I just saved Aaron's life right there. Yeah, you got that. Yeah, that was easy. All right, you can do the big side. I think what would be cool to see is Aaron dropping in on vert every year on his birthday for like the next 50 years.
Okay. Okay. Kaylin, you got tricks in here?
No.
Probably not.
Just a drop in. That was gnarly enough. Ain't gonna lie. How about a drop in and ollie up this? Up the bank.
Wow.
Here, you go up and I'll hit your board like that.
That
Wow.
was a great one. Oh.
Okay. Okay.
What's up? You making it out of this, AK?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You want the same time?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I can do this.
Gotta play dirty with you sometimes,
First
man.
try. You know what you need to take us out of this?
Huh.
We need a varial flip.
Yeah, I got you.
Give the people what they
I
want.
can do that. All right, I'll do it right in front of the bathroom.
Keep them alive.
Those are flipping easy though.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Okay. That sure looked like it worked to me, hippie. To 5-0. You got it, hippie.
It's not turning to there.
I don't even know how you rode, how you just casually. Yeah, I'm cool on that.
Yes.
No.
No.
You know what it is? Remember earlier? we were talking earlier about the difference between the flat, no coping.
Yeah.
It feels weird
And
without
the
the
coping.
bump.
So right now my brain is looking for that round.
Yeah. Yeah, come on, hippie. Get out of there. There's gonna no coping on it.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go blunt, 5-0, rock and roll.
Wow.
And I call it a windshield wiper.
A windshield wiper.
Oh, I gotta get his back.
Yeah.
I gotta get his back.
Who let that hoser in here, eh? Fun fact, when I lived in Canada for a year, I definitely started saying A. And then the Canadians pointed out to me, well, in America, they say, And I never noticed that in my whole life. And then after they said that, I realized I always say that. Should we go to the skate park? Like, that was pretty good, huh?
I think actually what's funny is A is a whole sentence in Canada. You're like, A?
Yeah, sure.
You
Eh?
just expect an answer.
He's still going. I'm not gonna stop the man.
Oh, a little back blunt.
What are you trying to go, just straight in?
Yeah, blunt 180.
Personally, I don't think it works, but you know, I'm not a professional.
That'll work. Yeah.
Let's try that.
It's because the momentum is going with it.
You just said what? It's a bad idea. You know what I think I should do, Gabe? I think I should grow dreads.
Nah.
There's a certain level of power.
You're a mullet kind of guy.
Shut up. Leave it in the comments below if a mullet is in style.
Yeah! That was solid.
Yeah.
That was not right.
Oh yeah, you want to get that blunt, and then we'll do a final rating, and then I have a special surprise for y'all.
Yep.
But I gotta do it switch. Yeah, because I haven't done a blunt fakie in over a decade because of my leg, and I just, I do them switch all the time.
Yeah, last time I learned blunt fakie finally in the mini ramp, and then I did it the next day, and I rolled my ankle, and now I'm like, never again. Blunt fakie off the list. Yeah!
Yeah, we should be able to do it.
This is on the skinny ledge. This is day one style.
Yep.
Yeah! You got it, hippie! He said, don't be a wussy. I wouldn't know anything about that, you know? Sometimes I wonder what it would be like to be a wussy.
Yep.
Wow!
Damn it, right on the tank.
First try!
Yeah! Yeah! Oh my God, my heart skipped a beat right there, but that was.
Aaron,
Hippie?
you do it.
Let's go. Hey, that right there, skate park.
That was
I'm
awesome.
giving a 7.5.
7.5? I'm giving it a 10!
I'm giving that a
Hippie
10.
Mike a 10! Take us out of here, Hippie. Tell them how they can follow you, support the Hippie Mike Industries skate park. Tell them everything. Okay, guys. You can help keep Hippie Mike Industries indoor skate park open. We're doing a collaboration board, and proceeds will go to the Hippie Mike Industries skate park. And yeah, there's links in the description below.
Yep.
Tell them, I guess you should just tell them how they can best support the cause.
Any way you want. Support the cause. We can donate money. You can buy products. I mean, we're going to do this board. Buy one of the boards. That helps. And go on hippiemike.com. Go to HMI Skate Park on Instagram. And we also have the HMI Skate Park Society. And any of those are great places to just follow us and see what we do, right? And, you know, we're here to grow the world in a positive way, and would love for you to be part of it.